We are asked all the time, what do we trade? Do we trade options? Do we trade futures? Do we trade stocks? Do we trade ETFs? Do we trade on a daily? Do we trade on a weekly? Do we trade intraday? Do we use daily charts? Do we use price charts? Yes, 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 and yes. We do it all. We do it all. And the reality is that you want to have access to all available charting techniques, and you want to pick one or two or three that suit you best. And my wife Susan and I both trade, and we share some, and she likes others. I don't, and the same thing with the members. When we share, we show all of the charts that we trade. You're looking at the swing machine intraday. This is the brains behind what we trade. Now, intraday, we're looking at intraday time frames. Intraday. At a nightly basis, for our members, our basic members, we make a video of the daily, weekly, and monthly view. And we'll even show a little bit of the intraday view, like on an hour and a 4 hour basis. For our base members that also belong to our level 2, so base membership is $99, level 2 membership is $400. At $400, they get access to the intraday swing machine. You take the NQ, and it's pulling back right now, but the NQ today, it went long the 20th at 3:30 a.m. It's up 1670. Today, 5:20, the YM up 1150. September 20th, 5:05 a.m., the Russell up 685. The ES at 5:10 a.m., 1137. We put in a lot of hours. This is on a 5 minute basis. You want to trade the 5 minute, you want to trade the 1 hour. There's a little technique, there's a little getting used to, but we have everything here. This tells us whether we want to be long or short, whether we're dipping or ripping. This tells us if we're confirming, and if there's still plenty of buying or if there's any selling coming in. None of this uses moving averages. Moving averages, for the most part, we can make them work a little bit, but for the most part, they don't work, and the reason is they lag. Here you have a beautiful view. You can have your charts over here to the left, up top, to the side. This sits right in the middle. This is what I watch all day. And it's, kind of color coded, and you can see what's happening with the VIX, and you can see what's happening with the dollar, and we can see what's happening with oil, and we can with gold and copper and the treasury market. We can see everything that we need or want to see. Pretty easy. Takes a little getting used to. We encourage. We'll take our members and give them a full orientation, and then we recommend that they trade in simulation. If you've been an an experienced trader, we only will let experienced traders join our level 2, quite frankly. If you're a novice trader, we want you to join as a basic, and then we want to help coach you to get to a level 2. So we don't let everybody into level 2. If you're an experienced trader, yes, we'll let you into level 2, but we encourage you to trade in simulation for maybe a week or two. And at times we'll encourage you just to try to lose money in sim. Okay, but we give you the signals, but we encourage you to trade. That's what's beautiful about the swing machine. It will get you into trades at the right place. It will get you out of trades at the right place. It'll keep you in the trade when you need to stay in the trade. And it'll get you out unemotionally. Now, do we win on every single one? No. But we get enough winners to, more than offset our time and offset the losers. And you'll know. You'll know after a week or two in sim. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, what have you lost? 1 month? and we don't lose. We haven't, knock on wood, we haven't lost anybody. Um, we may have lost one or two because some folks move, but very, very rarely. And what else can I tell you? You're more than welcome to give us a call if you got this video finds you and you got a question or two. My phone is 813 75, let's see, 813 758 8263. 758-8263. Where does this come from? From our own trading. From our own trading. We're not a broker, we're not a broker, we're not a financial advisor, we're not making recommendations to buy or sell anything. My wife Susan and I developed this years, 10, 15 years ago. This is what we've been using, continue to use day in and day out to trade the markets. Zero out all the noise. And it's just a beautiful thing. We don't have to, watch. The brain can only incorporate, about three things. So you got more than three things on a chart, you're just going to get, you know, overwhelmed, confused, vertigo, won't be able to tell up from down. And that's what's beautiful, about this. You can see everything at a glance, what you need to see on each and every market. And if you trade the ETFs, that's fine, but we would still recommend that you take the signals from the futures because they do beat the ETFs by ever so slightly. And we can trade stocks and treasuries and oil and everything else. So I'm Bagging on at stockmarketcaddy.com. Feel free to check us out. Feel free to call. And we can't guarantee that you're going to make money, but we will guarantee that you will learn, that you will have fun. If you're on TradeStation, all of our proprietary indicators and strategies and anything that you might see are free to you. We will send them to you each and every month with your renewal subscription. That's the way that works. The Swing Machine here, we do not send this out. There's just too valuable and too important to us to send this out where it could be bootlegged or what have you. So, but we're happy to help. It's a labor of love, and if you're lost in the woods and looking for a way out, maybe feel free to check us out. We don't have any, long-term commitments. We don't say, hey, it's a summer special or a fall special, joined for 20 years and we'll cut it in half. That sort of, no, we don't do that. We don't pester you with emails. I don't send out emails. We don't advertise. There are no ads on our website. No phone calls. You like these people, you send them an email and you get like about 100 emails a day from them. We don't send out one. The only email we send out are to our members or a tweet to let them know that we have posted the evening video. Because our base members get a video. Our base members, $99 a month, get a base video Sunday through Thursday night, anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour, mostly an hour, just depends upon what's happening. And then level 2 is access to the intraday swing machine. And then access, if you're at TradeStation, to all of our proprietary indicators and strategies, and that is a flat $400, which we think is tremendous value. We don't upcharge for ranges and this and that, and there's a tremendous amount of additional information that are available to you. For instance, well, I just don't. Do I have it here? Well, these are available to you. We also have what we call the option station. That it's beautiful. It force ranks. We don't use moving averages, but we know the retail crowd does. So we force rank. You can force rank all the stocks. What percentage over an average they are and what have you. So we just got a ton of tools. We also have the expected price movement, and that comes from the pricing models of the stock options themselves. So feel free. Don, Baggett on stockmarketcaddy.com.